Everybody, my name is Audrey Archambault. I'm studying Arts, Letters, and Communication at Montmorency College for now 2 years. In my program, we learn the importance of communication, how to inform yourself adequately, and how to use different media such as the television, radio, and many others. In my field of study, we are really focusing on the media. So today I will show you how to use the Virtual Writing Tutor website. I will show you all the basics you need to know for an effective use. So first of all, you have to open any browser you want. After, in the top of your screen, you will open a new tab, just like this. Under the new tab, you have the address bar where you will write the URL for the website. Is the virtualwritingtutor.com. And when you open it, you're supposed to see this in front of you. So first of all, on the top left corner of the screen, you have the logo just over there. And when you click on it, it's refreshing your page. At the opposite side of the screen, you have these little icons. They are the logo for the social media. If you want to share your text with your friend, you can use them. In the middle of the screen, you have the text area where you can copy paste your text. Under this text area, you have many keys to help you to correct your text. I usually use the check vocabulary and check grammar. After that, at the right side of the text area, just over there, you have two little icons. The first one is the microphone, and under the microphone, you have the text-to-speech. These two icons help you with your pronunciation. I will do a little demonstration for you. First of all, you go copy your text and you paste it on the virtual writing tutor in the text area. Usually I go check my grammar first. So it said that I have 3 errors, but one is my name, so I only have 2 real mistakes. When you see your mistake, you can see the feedback and the suggestion. After that, you can go back on the text area and correct the mistakes. After that, you can click back on check grammar, and now you can see that you don't have any more mistakes. When you're satisfied with your text, you can check your vocabulary. You click on the vocabulary rectangle just beside the grammar check. And it said if your vocabulary is basic or good and how you can ameliorate your vocabulary. When you're happy with your text, but you're not so sure how to pronounce a certain word, you can select one of them in your text and you can go on the text-to-speech that I showed you earlier and click on it.
Communication.
So now you know how to pronunciate this word. So that's all for my little tutorial. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you will use this website. Thank you.